Hello guys and welcome to this video. So if you've always wanted to create a mind-blowing smoke transition effect, this is the video for you. Now you can see how this AI is creating this particular transition effect from a monk in a mountain top. It's even a DJ, and the smoke transformed him to a basketballer. So this is really crazy. So all you have to do is to go to higgsfield.ai, sign in and or create an account, click on visual effects, scroll and choose the smoke transition. You will be brought to this page. Click on generate. So once you've clicked on generate, very simple step, upload. You have to upload two pictures, one before and the other one after. So just upload both of them in these areas, then describe what you want to achieve. You can describe the color of your smoke. In the initial one, it was white, a white dense cloud. So you can also describe yours to be black, white, yellow, brown, yellow, green, anything you want to describe. You can also use ChatGPT to describe it properly. Choose your model, or just most times I advise you leave it here. Leave it with the just leave the default model here, and then adjust your duration and resolution. Click on generate, and in minutes your video will be ready for download, and you can just watch it and then go on to download that particular video. So once you're done, guys, that's it. If you have any issue, let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, guys, and please subscribe to the channel as we're actively trying to grow.